Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain information security policy and types of security policy. Okay, so please like and subscribe. Okay, let's start. What is information security policy? Okay, security policy is document or set of document that describe the security controls that should be implemented in the company at high level for safeguarding the organizational network from inside and outside attacks. Okay, so these documents define the complement's security architecture of organization, and document includes clear objectives, goals, rules and regulation, formal procedure and so on. Okay, it clearly mentions the access to be protected and person who can log in and access site, who can view the selected data, as well as the people who are allowed to changes the data, etc. Okay, without this policy it is impossible to protect the company from possible lawsuit, lost revenue and so on. Okay, so security policy are the foundation of the security infrastructure. Okay, these policies secure and safeguard the information resources of an organization and provide legal protection to the organization. Okay, these policies are beneficial since they help bring awareness of the staff working in the organization to work together to secure its communication, as well as minimizing the risk of security weaknesses through human factor mistakes such as disclosing sensitive information to unauthorized or unknown source, improper use of internet. Okay, in addition, this policy provides protection against cyber attack, malicious threat, foreign intelligence, and so on. Okay, they mainly address physical security, network security, access authorization, virus protection, and disaster recovery. Okay, so this is the information security policy. Okay, and goal of security policy included maintain outline for the management and administration of network security and protection of organization computing resource. Okay, and elimination of legal liability from employees or third parties, and prevent unauthorized modification of data. Okay, and differentiate the users can access rights. Okay, and protect confidentiality, proprietary information from theft, misuses or unauthorized disclosure. Okay, so these are goals of security policy. Okay, next is types of policies. Okay, security policy is document that contains information on the way of the company plans to protect its information assets from known and unknown data. Okay, this policy helps to maintain the confidentiality, availability and integrity of information. Okay, so the four major types of security policy are follows. First type is promiscuous policy. Okay, with promiscuous policies there is no restriction on internet access. User can access any site, download any application and access computer or network from remote location. Okay, while this can be useful to corporate businesses where people who travel or work at branch office need to access the organizational network, many malware, viruses and trojan threats are present on the internet. Okay, free internet access, this malware can attachment without the knowledge of the user. Okay, network administrator must be extremely alert if this types of policy is chosen. Okay, next type is permissive policy. Okay, in permissive policy the majority of internet traffic is accepted, but several known dangerous services and attack are blocked. because only known attack and exploit are blocked. It is impossible for administrator to keep up the current exploit. Administrator are always playing catch up with the new attacks and exploit. Okay. Third type, prudent policy. Okay, prudent policies start with all service block. Administrator enables safe and necessary service individually. Okay, this provide maximum security. Everything such as system and network activities is logged. Okay, and last type is paranoid policy. In paranoid policy, everything is forbidden. There is strict restriction on all uses of company computers, whether it is system uses or network uses. There is either no internet connection or several limited internet uses. Due to this overly severe restriction, user often try to find ways around them. Okay, so this is the types of security policy. Thank you for watching.